This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to the Saint-Maclou Cemetery. Today, the Saint-Maclou Cemetery is a tourist and social place. Tourist because it is the second most visited place in the city after the cathedral, and social because you can stop there for lunch or dinner in the restaurant called the Hamlet CAF, as well as discover two contemporary art galleries. However, this former mass grave was the scene of several functions, particularly from 1661. Indeed, from 1661, alongside its function as a cemetery, the Saint-Maclou Cemetery hosted schools. For 121 years, the courtyard of the aître was both a burial place for the parish and a place of recreation for the classes. In 1782, the funerary activity of the cemetery ceased, completely leaving room for schools which remained there until the beginning of the 20th century. So take advantage of your presence within the Saint-Maclou Cemetery to discover the Fire Arts Gallery, entry to which is free.